Inside this factory, aircraft parts are built with zero tolerance for error.
Every aircraft component begins as raw metal, plantal, inspected, measured, and digitally tracked. In aviation manufacturing, accuracy is measured in microns, aufcalled, smaller than a human hair. These CNC machines operate continuously, guided by thousands of lines of code. The first cut transforms solid metal into the foundation of an aircraft component. 5-axis machining allows shapes impossible to create by human hands.
Some aircraft parts contain hidden internal channels essential for extreme heat resistance.
Every tool change happens automatically, faster, and more accurately than any human could perform. Quality checks occur constantly, TO'd, not after production, but during every step. Surface perfection is critical. Even microscopic flaws can cause catastrophic failure. Finished components are handled by robots to avoid even the smallest contamination.
Heat treatment strengthens metal to withstand extreme flight conditions.
At extreme temperatures, the metal's internal structure is permanently transformed. Final machining removes imperfections measured in microns.
Human inspection is rare as FOF, but when used, it is absolute. Each component is permanently certified and traceable for decades.
Every part is designed to integrate flawlessly into complex aircraft systems.
Before shipment, components are protected from dust, moisture, and vibration. These parts will soon operate thousands of meters above the Earth. This is where precision becomes safety, and metal becomes flight. In aerospace manufacturing, even a 2-micron deviation is unacceptable. Every physical part is compared against its digital twin in real time. Even cutting tools are monitored constantly to prevent invisible defects. The system replaces tools automatically before accuracy is compromised. Even waste material is tracked, sorted, and recycled with precision.
Filtered coolant ensures clean cuts and longer machine life.
This factory operates through the night, without human supervision. Artificial intelligence constantly adjusts parameters for peak efficiency. Vibration control is critical to maintain structural integrity. Before approval, components are pushed beyond real-world limits. Only parts that survive extreme stress earn flight clearance.
Fatigue tests simulate decades of flight within hours.
Aircraft parts must survive instant temperature extremes. Flaws invisible to the eye are revealed through non-destructive testing.
Only a small percentage of parts reach final approval.
Protective coatings guard against corrosion and extreme environments.
Final scans ensure coating perfection across every surface.
Approved components are sealed for safe global transport. These parts are shipped to aircraft factories across the world.
This factory never stops with, because safety never rests. Before installation, every component is virtually assembled to ensure a perfect fit.
Torque calibration confirms how much force a component can safely handle. Even microscopic cracks are detected before they can become catastrophic. Aerospace parts are handled in environments cleaner than hospital operating rooms. Weight accuracy ensures balance and performance during flight.
Perfect balance reduces vibration and extends aircraft lifespan.
Surface roughness is measured at the microscopic level.
Every detail is archived for the entire lifespan of the aircraft.
Consistency across batches is as important as individual perfection.
Aircraft parts must perform at extreme altitudes. Continuous vibration testing replicates thousands of flight hours.
Only after passing every test is a part cleared for flight.
Protection continues until final installation.
Even shipping conditions are tested.
Approved parts are delivered directly to aircraft assembly lines.
From machine to mission.
Every safe flight depends on parts like this. Precision is not an event, it's a process.
This factory never stops.
And the cycle begins again.
Reliability is predicted years before a plane ever flies. Redundancy ensures consistency across every unit.
Surface chemistry must match exact specifications. Protective layers are tested for permanent adhesion.
Clean manufacturing is part of aerospace compliance.
Every decision is recorded and traceable.
Only certified inputs enter the process.
Predictive maintenance prevents downtime.
Production continues even when lights go out.
Human presence is minimal by design. Fail-safes protect machines and parts. Data security protects physical safety.
Global standards keep quality identical.
Every cycle improves the next.
Transport integrity is guaranteed.
Precision leaves the factory.
Where precision becomes performance.
Monitoring continues long after delivery. Millions of safe miles depend on this process.
And it starts again.
Measure. Cut. Verify. Repeat. Time moves forward. Standards remain.
Humans guide the system.
Machines execute the plan. Zero tolerance defines aerospace.